Whisks are essential kitchen tools, but with so many types, how do you choose the right one? Balloon whisks, with their wide, rounded wires, are perfect for whipping cream and aerating mixtures, adding air to lighter batters and creams for fluffiness. French whisks, with their slim design and tightly spaced wires, are ideal for mixing smooth sauces, batters, or custards, providing control without excessive aeration. Dough whisks, with their circular open design, handle thick doughs like bread or pizza dough without overworking the mixture, allowing for efficient mixing without activating too much gluten. Whisks come in stainless steel, silicone, and nylon. Stainless steel is durable and versatile, while silicone prevents scratches in non-stick pans, making it great for delicate cookware. Nylon whisks are common in affordable sets but should be avoided in high-heat situations. Wash your whisks gently. Stainless steel is dishwasher safe, but silicone whisks are best hand-washed to preserve their coating. Fun fact, whisks date back to the 19th century, originally made with bundles of wires attached to handles. Today, modern whisks feature ergonomic handles and specialized materials for various kitchen needs. Whisking is an art. Use a circular or figure-8 motion for smooth results. For lighter mixtures like whipped cream, use a balloon whisk to add air. A steady, controlled motion helps avoid splattering. Struggling with thick batter or over-aeration? Adjust your speed. Too fast causes splattering, too slow leaves lumps. A steady pace ensures the perfect texture. Whisk away.